Hi, and welcome back. I'm so excited you're continuing this journey. Today, we're going to be focusing on two eye exercises that's going to gently lift and tone our eye area, decrease those dark circles under the eyes, and then just really awaken the eyes. So let's get started. So our first eye exercise, we're going to take our index fingers here and we're going to gently just start tapping all around the eye area here, starting at the brows, going all the way underneath our eyes, moving all the way up. Remember, be gentle when you're working with your eye area here. But what this is going to do is going to boost the circulation around our eyes here, reducing any morning puffiness, and just kind of bringing some fresh blood, fresh nutrients, and oxygen to this whole eye area here. So this is just a very simple technique that you can do to just wake up the eyes. Wonderful. So the next eye exercise is one of my favorites. It tones the eyes, it lifts the eyes, it strengthens the whole eye muscle here. So it's going to reduce those hollows underneath our eyes, any dark circles, and then again, any puffiness. So what we're going to do is take our middle fingers here, place them on the inside corner of the eye here. And then you're going to place your index fingers on the outside corner of the eye here. And what we're going to do with this exercise, we're going to start gently squinting our eyes for a few seconds. So it kind of looks like this. Gently squint softly here. And what this does is that you're going to start feeling a little bit of a pulsating movement here. And you might want to adjust your fingers here, maybe bend your finger a little bit here, just so you can easily feel that vibration movements. And if you don't feel it, it's okay. With practice, that's going to start happening more, so don't worry about it. So we're going to do this a few seconds here and then go back to normal. A few seconds, back to normal. A few seconds, back to normal. A few seconds, back to normal, and back. Wonderful. Great work. These two exercises can really tone and strengthen and awaken our entire eye area. So next we're going to be working on our cheeks and our smile lines over here. So I'll see you in the next one.